Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a student in South Africa, you know how tough it can be to balance your studies with your finances. Textbooks, rent, food, and let's not forget having a little fun every now and then. But what if I told you there are ways to make extra cash without sacrificing your grades or free time? In today's video, I'm sharing the top 7 side hustles for students in South Africa that you can start right now. Let's dive in. First up, we have freelancing. This is one of the most flexible side hustles out there, and it's perfect for students. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, coding, or even social media management, there's a demand for your skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients from all over the world. You can work on projects in your spare time, and the best part? You set your own rates. For example, if you're a great writer, you can offer blog writing services and earn anywhere from 500 to 2,000 Rand per article. Not bad for a few hours of work, right? Next, we have tutoring. If you're acing your studies, why not help others do the same? Tutoring is a great way to earn money while reinforcing your own knowledge. You can tutor high school students in subjects like math, science, or English, or even help fellow university students with challenging courses. You can offer your services locally or online through platforms like Tutorful or Tutor.com. On average, tutors in South Africa earn between 100 and 300 Rand per hour. Plus, it's a rewarding way to make a difference in someone's life. Side hustle number 3 is reselling. This is a simple yet effective way to make money. You can buy items at a low price, think thrift stores, garage sales, or even online marketplaces, and resell them for a profit. Popular platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, and OLX make it easy to reach buyers in your area. For example, you could buy second-hand textbooks at the end of the semester and resell them to incoming students. With a little hustle, you can easily make an extra 1,000 to 3,000 Rands per month. Number 4 is social media management. If you're always on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, why not turn that into a money-making opportunity? Many small businesses in South Africa are looking for help with their social media accounts. You can offer services like creating posts, scheduling content, and engaging with followers. Start by reaching out to local businesses or freelancing platforms. With some experience, you can charge between 500 and 2,000 Rand per client per month. It's a fun and creative way to earn money while building your portfolio. Side hustle number 5 is delivery services. With the rise of apps like Mr. D Food, Uber Eats, and Checkers 6060, there's a growing demand for delivery drivers. This is a great option if you have a car, scooter, or even a bicycle. You can work flexible hours, and the pay can range from 15 to 50 Rand per delivery, depending on the distance and platform. If you're consistent, you could easily make an extra 2,000 to 5,000 Rand per month. Number 6 is content creation. If you're passionate about a particular topic, whether it's fashion, gaming, or business, you can start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok account. While it takes time to build an audience, once you start gaining traction, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For example, you could create videos about student life in South Africa or share tips on saving money. The sky's the limit. Finally, we have online surveys and microtasks. While this won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Platforms like Sense, Telluna, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you to complete surveys, watch videos, or perform small tasks. You can earn anywhere from 10 to 100 Rand per task, depending on the platform. It's not a full-time income, but it's a great way to make some pocket money while watching TV or waiting for class to start. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to help you succeed with your side hustle. Start small, don't overwhelm yourself, pick one side hustle and focus on it. Be consistent, even if you only have a few hours a week, consistency is key. Manage your time, balance your side hustle with your studies to avoid burnout. Invest in yourself, use some of your earnings to learn new skills or tools that can help you grow. Remember, the goal is to make extra money without sacrificing your education. So, choose a side hustle that fits your schedule and interests. And that's it, the top 7 side hustles for students in South Africa. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money and building your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.